Alright, so this is downtown, 11:40 p.m. Hurricane Melissa. As you guys can see, down here is empty. The flooding not really started yet. Still another stoplight. But yeah, flooding not really started yet. I just drive past the waterfront. You see how down there look, and then go home. I know everybody probably concerned why I'm there to my bed them hours here the night. But honestly, we just need to understand what's going on, man. Like, I don't know, that's the only thing I have to say. So, yeah, I go home right after this. I just want to see what's really going on down on the south coast. You see me? So I'm there on, I think this is King Street, you know. I think this is King Street, I'm not sure. I don't know them road, so the name of them, so, but so to take the time go down there. Rain a fall, breeze a blow, people are, no, there's nobody at all. But there's a lot of wind down here, a lot of wind. Lots and lots of wind. It's falling down, it's blowing down here. Alright, so we just see the fire brigade. Really, nobody not really up on the road, if I be honest. Not much people on the road. But it's windy down here. It's very windy. I can say that much. I don't know where is your guy over here, so but something I reach him. Go to doom bam bang bang bang. I'm gonna turn off my windscreen wiper. Alright, so the rain isn't that bad. It's actually not that bad, and the wind is not crazy. It's about a 3 out of 10 right now. I know the sea levels are gonna be higher. Alright, the tree them a move, so things are going down there. I wind down my window. But you see, you are walking. Alright, you can learn from the streets then, guys. It's a BBC parking lot. Water levels are really high. Significantly high. Wow, out there look crazy. Leaving nobody come out of the car. The water levels are really high. So this is a step out for half a second. The water level is really high. When I see that the place breezy, you know. Breeze up blow. And the time for me in my yard.